Okay, so this is April 16th, and we are going to take the final look at the front window garden because generally these will all get either moved outside or transplanted somewhere. So this is the nasturtium that has given us pleasure all winter, and there is a lovely bloom on it. And then these are the geraniums that we took cuttings from the mother plant, and they all three have rooted and will be outside and giving us beautiful plants this summer. Here is the mother plant of the geranium, doing fabulous still. Lots of blooms coming on it. When you take the slip from the geranium to grow, you want to take a cutting like this that doesn't have any blooms on it, unlike this one that has the bloom attached to it. You wouldn't want to take a cutting from that. And then finally our sweet potato, the race is being won by the one in the dirt. Still very slow growing as far as I'm concerned. I would think that they would have bigger slips by now. But I still want to move them. Usually we take this table down in the summertime. So that's our brief look at the window garden.